My name is Jefferies. I'm an insurance client manager at Northdoor. We're a solutions provider to the London market and a partner for AdvantageGo. Well, going back a few years, the technologies that were the buzzwords were things like cloud, data, mobile, social media, and those are still relevant, but they're a bit further along the maturity curve. The more recent ones are things like artificial intelligence and machine learning, robotic process automation, quantum computing, blockchain, Internet of Things, telematics, which may have a role to play. They're more at the proof of concept stage, seeing some traction around robotic process automation and AI enhanced analytics. The other technologies are coming from insurtechs. So there's quite a lot. There's a lot of insurtechs out there. For example, Northdoor have an insurtech solution for automating the cyber insurance underwriting process. And there are microservices, the likes of which AdvantageGo provides. So they are services that can be very quickly and easily integrated into an ecosystem of an insurer, for example, for sanction screening. Well, any change program needs certain building blocks, and London market in particular will need to focus on good change management. The building blocks include executive sponsorship, so it has to be sponsored from the top and have a lot of executive engagement. It has to have a bit of a carrot and stick approach to address a mixed audience. Some people will be more motivated moving away from something that's seen as uncomfortable, and others will be more motivated moving towards something that's seen as desirable. Building prototypes can help, so people can get their hands on and see what the solution could look like. And then you need to continually evaluate the benefits just to make sure that the benefits that were originally intended are actually being delivered. So it's small steps probably for the London market, and demonstrating successes as they appear is probably a good way to do it. Well, Northdoor and AdvantageGo have been solutions providers to the London market for a number of years, and we've been involved with the modernisation discussions with the target operating model team. And some of the ways that we enable the modernisation programme are around the whole technology modernisation piece at insurers, around that systems integration piece and adding automation and straight through flow of data. For example, as an example, our sanctions screening application, Sanction Checker, is fully integrated with AdvantageGo systems, so you get a fully integrated and automated process for sanction screening. Any insurer with a London market or anywhere really needs to make sure they comply with the sanctions regime that's in place where they do business. So they will need to check that any individual or company that which looking to do business with is not present on a sanctions list, and failure to do that could result in fines and reputational damage. So for London market in particular, which has a reputation for trust and quality, it's very important to get that right.